Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll give you the quick tutorial on how you can actually see the data usage of every day in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video. So I'll try to explain you how you can actually see the daily data usage. If you're trying to use a mobile data or maybe the Wi-Fi data, so everything will be included in this one application. Yes. So by default, you cannot see any kind of daily data usage in this phone. So you need to use some other third-party applications to get this kind of access. As you can see, friends, using this kind of third-party application, you can actually see the daily data usage in the mobile and Wi-Fi as well. So let me try to explain what is the application name, and the application name is called the Internet Speed Meter Lite. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because I'm getting so many comments on this Oneplus Nord 2. So how can we see the daily data usage in this phone? Can you please explain, is there any alternate method? What are the applications best in this method? So that is the reason I thought of making this video. So in this way, you'll be able to see each and every day how much mobile data you used, how much Wi-Fi you used. But one thing, so if you use the dual SIM cards, but it's very hard to see dual SIM cards, so which SIM is used, what type of data, that's a kind of really confusing. But still, if you use a single SIM card, you can clearly see how much data is utilized in each and every day. You'll get the really good statistics, friends, for the past 7 days, 30 days, and this month, how much did you consume. It's a really good useful application which you can actually try it, and every time you can actually enable even in the notification bar as well, so which will give you the clear idea what is going on with the data in your device. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below how you feel about this application, and I'm using this application for the past few years, so I'm really liking this application very much. And thank you for watching this video. In this way only you will be able to see the default, how much data you used in the Oneplus Nord. If you know any other method, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely that will be helpful for me and for other users as well. So till now we got the temporary fix where you can actually see the data usage on the top. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.